From the world of the Canadian MX Triple Crown Series, we have an update on that guy right there. After his crash, Dylan Wright. The update is, quote, after winning Moto 1, Dylan suffered an enormous get off while leading Moto 2, and this is the crash right here, if you can watch that. The high speed crash caused injuries to the lungs, ribs, heart, and shoulder, along with a concussion. Dylan is currently in hospital in Lethbridge and is currently out indefinitely. We will update again on Dylan's health status when we have more information. Now, obviously, you never want to see anybody get hurt. Apparently, he went 1-2 in the first round and won the second. Well, in the second, 1-2 in the first round. In the second round, he won the first race, and obviously, second race he did that. And it sucks to see. Like you never want to see anybody get injured, especially somebody who is towards the top. I don't know if that changes things at all, but if you're racing for championships and wins, you never want to see those guys get hurt because they're really putting in a ton of work. Not saying everybody else isn't, but if you're up at the top level, you are committing everything to this. And it sucks to see that somebody, especially if you're getting lungs and ribs and heart damage from a crash, it's never going to be good. Um, I don't know. Hopefully he heals up well. Hopefully, this isn't a super long recovery. You'd like to see everyone heal up quickly and heal up without any lingering problems, but I don't know. Comments down below, you guys tell me. Do you watch the Canadian series? Did you hear anything about this? Are you a Dylan Wright fan? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.